Hello. It's my third movie, and today I'm in forest near my home. Let's see my forest. There are many trees, different types. I don't understand. I don't. It's better say I don't know how say this type of tree. That's maybe pine. Okay. Right now I'm walking a dog. It's my dog. It's Labrador. His nickname Creep. Oh, it's funny. It's funny dog. Some bit crazy. Okay. Okay. Now it's time of dinner. After our walking, I and my dog, we come. We will came to home and we'll have a dinner, beautiful and tasty soup. Oh. Okay, right now. Now is in 1:35 in the afternoon. Okay, maybe I say correct, maybe not. I don't understand. In this forest, there are nobody who can correct me, who can check me my grammar. Okay. What I do? What I did today? What I did today? Today I continue to did my wardrobe in my flat. Okay. Today I did my exercise on English in my English processing study. Okay. And what else? Today I want. Today I'm going to barber, and I want to cut my head. Okay, what else? What else? My wife want to do some buying for house for her. And we want to buy present for her because anybody, some people, other people presented money, and she want to pay herself gift for her. Okay. What else today? Today Okay, today right now then when we are going to home, I want to go to my garage and take big can for doing alcohol. Oh, okay, it's my that's doing alcohol. It's my hobby. It's my hobby. I did alcohol myself. I buy sugar and I buy bombs. Maybe it's so bombs. Bull. Bombs eat. Bombs has eaten sugar and produce alcohol and gas. Okay, you understand me? Okay. Then I take water. No. I pour water into the can, into the big can. I peel. Okay. I create mixture water, sugar and bombs, and after in 20 days it's that's liquid substance. I turn into the alcohol. One second, please. I have to look in my action camera. Maybe she did not walk. Okay, she is walk. That's all right. Okay, now I create this smooth with my action camera. Yesterday I create this my telephone, and the first move I create by camera on the computer. Okay. Now what I see now. Okay. Now I see a beautiful scenery. It's spring. Soon I'm going to this forest and collect the juice of this tree. Before to collect the juice of this tree, I have to cut this this thing, and then I can put down some tank, glass can, and juice this tree. They will drop or drip on the glass. Drop after drop. the glass will be full. Okay, it's very tasty juice. Tasty juice. It's my dog. It's funny. It's funny. Creed, come here. Creed, come here. He did not. He does not obey me. He doesn't obey me, but okay. Oh, excuse me. He obeys me and come here. And now he try pull me, but I don't fall on the ground. Okay, and now he eat some wood. It's crazy dog because dogs don't eat stick, wood leaves, but my dog is crazy. He's crazy dog. Okay, right now he try to put a he try take a stick, take away. I don't know how take out. Or maybe take out. Yeah. Take out. Okay. Take away. Give back. Give back. Oh, okay. I don't understand. Okay. I like to walk a dog because during our walking I rest. I think very stuff things, and I rest. I listen to silent in the forest. It's I love forest in the spring because because the forest start his new circle. It's like a circle of life. Elton John song about it. He has a song about circle of life in the cartoons. The King of Line. Okay. I don't understand. I don't know how long. I don't know how long time. Maybe I don't. Maybe it isn't correct. How long I do my movies, but maybe right now I finished. Maybe right now I'll finish this third movie, and as how I say in the first movie, smoothie. If you noticed mistake, you can write comments. It's I'll be glad if you write somebody. That's all for this time. See you already tomorrow, and I'll my crazy dog, he run round, he run around, okay, and okay, I forgot what I want to say you. Okay, okay, right. Already tomorrow I'll do new moves, and now I don't know how I will do these moves, but I know exactly. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I don't have correct words for explaining, because sometimes I look like crazy man, because English language is not my native language. My native language is Russian language. Okay, right. Okay, this is all for this time. See you tomorrow.